happened?
Peyton, how do you make a baby?
There's a silver egg that's a robot, and there's so many ones. It's a big race, and there's an army, and whoever makes it first gets to be the baby.
Where do they need to go?
Where does it go?
You got. They're all racing to the egg, and whoever gets there first gets to be the one that's the baby.
Who told you that? Who told you that story?
I don't know it. I just knew it.
You just knew?
Wow. And it's a whole army of them? And the first one who makes it?
So you're
To
the
the egg?
first one who made it?
So you became a baby?
Like your sister? She was the first one too?
Mm-hmm.
But who puts the eggs there? Who puts the worms there?
There's a
Santa,
robot.
I think.
Oh, there's a robot?
A robot.
Yeah. I guess Daddy could be the robot,
The mailman.
right?
Does he deliver the mail?
Yeah, Daddy's a robot.
The mailman delivers a worm.
You've been playing hard.